Let's get you up to speed on the current happenings with the Tiffany Henyard and Thornton Township federal investigation. Tomorrow, Monday, May 20th, 2024, is the day that requested subpoena documents are required to be turned into the court as part of the FBI investigation and subpoenas. Federal subpoenas were issued to Thornton Township in late April 2024, demanding various documents primarily related to Supervisor Tiffany Henyard's businesses, allies, and decisions. These subpoenas indicate a federal investigation into Thornton Township's leadership. Key takeaways from the subpoenas: 1. Tiffany Henyard is a target. The subpoenas explicitly name Henyard, her business as a restaurant and a property management company, her political fund, and her charity. This suggests she is a central figure in the investigation. The scope of the investigation seems to be widening beyond Dolton, where Henyard serves as mayor. The subpoenas request a broad range of records, including personnel files, wage and tax statements, time and attendance records, contracts, and checks written to cash. 3. Focus on financial dealings. The subpoenas show a keen interest in Henyard's financial transactions, including those related to her businesses and political activities. This suggests investigators are looking into potential financial improprieties. 4. Grand jury involvement. The subpoenas compel a Thornton Township custodian of records to appear before a grand jury, indicating the investigation has reached a stage where prosecutors are presenting evidence to determine if charges should be filed. Subpoenas served on Dolton. Separate subpoenas were also served on the village of Dolton, further expanding the scope of the investigation. The subpoenas reveal a significant federal investigation into Thornton Township and Tiffany Henyard, with a focus on potential financial wrongdoing and abuse of power. The FBI subpoenas for Thornton Township requested a wide array of documents and records, reflecting the broad scope of their investigation into Tiffany Henyard and her associates. Here's a breakdown of the key details sought by the FBI: employment and financial records, personnel files, wage and tax statements, and time and attendance records for specific individuals, including Rosie Henyard, Tiffany Henyard's mother, Tamika Henyard, Tiffany Henyard's sister, Keith Freeman, Henyard's top lieutenant. Several Thornton Township trustees' contracts and agreements with vendors and contractors' bank statements, canceled checks, and credit card statements, final reports, budgets, and accounting records, municipal codes and ordinances, records related to credit card purchases, vendor approvals, expense reimbursements, security detail, use of vehicles, residency requirements, and donations, business records. Documents and records relating to Tiffany Henyard's businesses. Let's Get Poppin' Restaurant. Pink Gemstone Property Management Company documents and records relating to the Tiffany Henyard Cares Foundation travel records. Documents and records related to travel expenses for Thornton Township employees, including trips to Springfield and other locations. Other records. Board meeting minutes, vehicle purchases and lease. Any records related to communication or transactions between Thornton Township and Tiffany Henyard's businesses. This extensive list of requested documents indicates that the FBI is meticulously examining Henyard's financial dealings, relationships with associates, and adherence to township regulations. The investigation appears to be focused on potential financial improprieties, conflicts of interest, and misuse of public funds. Please note, these are just the initial findings of the investigation. It's crucial to follow updates from reliable news sources for further developments in this case.